Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Would you like to make some barbecue chicken wraps with me? Okay, so let's do it, alright? Give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out the links. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Okay, so we're going to start by seasoning the chicken, and we're going to put it in the oven, and then we're going to compile our wrap, okay? Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so I have some garlic and herb seasoning. That ought to bring a nice flavor. Lowry's seasoning salt. Black pepper. Just gonna flip it over. This is one chicken breast that I cut 2 times, so I ended up with 3 pieces. I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what a piece looks like. So I have 3 of these, okay? Okay. So now we're going to put it in our pan. One second. Okay. So now we're just going to put some oil on the bottom of our pan, like so. And then we're going to put the chicken in, and you're going to brush the chicken up against that oil on both sides. And the last one. Okay, so we're going to put this in the oven on 400 until it reaches 165 degrees, which shouldn't be no more than maybe 20 minutes. They're not that thick, okay? Alright, we'll be back. Let me give you the word of the day while our chicken is cooking in the oven. The word of the day is, before you tell somebody else how to walk in their shoes, how to walk in their life, what to do and how to do it and when to do it, why don't you walk their life, switch places, and you experience their life for about a month. I think after a month you'll see if your theory is logical and if your theory can work for them. Walk a mile in somebody else's shoes and then think about telling them how to live their life. That's the word of the day. Go ahead, walk a mile. Thanks. Okay guys, so I took the chicken out. It's been cooking for 20 minutes and it's at 160. So now we're going to use some Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy barbecue sauce, okay? And we're going to put this on the chicken on both sides. Okay, so let me show you this. Okay, now we're going to turn it over and put the sauce on the other side. And I'm only going to leave it in there for a few minutes just to let the barbecue sauce start sticking onto the chicken. Okay, so I'm going to put it back in the oven for no more than 3 minutes. And then I'll bring you back. Okay guys, our barbecue chicken is out. So, let me show you that. Okay, would you believe that's one chicken breast? Remember, I cut it lengthwise twice, right? So we had 3 pieces, and then I baked it, and then I cut it into strips just now so that I can fold it into the wrap easier. Okay, so now we're gonna put some barbecue sauce on our tortilla. This is the soft tortilla that I have. I'm just going to spread it with a knife. One second. Okay guys, I have some baby spinach here. I'm just going to put some of that on each one. Then we'll get our chicken. Don't overfill it, because if you overfill it, you can't roll it. So let me show you this. Okay. Okay, so now you want to fold the ends inward, okay? Come up from the bottom, tuck it in the pocket so that no tortilla is hanging out on the ends. Okay, roll it like that. See? Let's try another one. Roll it from the bottom. Take your thumb, pinch in on the end, and bend this in here over. See? Like you're making a pocket. Okay, so now let me put that on a plate for you. One second. 1 second. Okay. So let's take a taste. It's a nice healthy way to eat the chicken. The tortilla wrap is nice and soft. The spinach gives that nice crunch. That'll work. I could see that for lunch with some broccoli. Love you. Bye-bye.